We continue to be very well positioned as a nation. Today, I think the economy is in a very strong position. Our trade ties with the East, from China to Korea to Japan to India, are substantial, and our trade relationships on the West, from the United States to UK, Europe, the EU, France, etc., is also substantially strong. So I think for us, with that view, stability is crucial. And anything that creates geopolitical stability only enhances our proposition in terms of economic growth and in terms of growth in trade and growth in business, which is ultimately what the UAE is all about. So these gestures, I think, are ultimately in the best interest of the world, in my view. It's in the best interest of stability from a security and political sense, but also crucially very important from an economic sense. I think the world wants and needs continuous economic prosperity, and I think maintaining open lines is in the best interest of global stability.